Good morning, students. Today we are drawing plane quadrilaterals by giving the different specifications like the four sides or the sides and different angles. One or more sides will give and one or more angles also will give. Otherwise, the sides and diagonals will give. You can see how to draw the quadrilaterals. Draw this quadrilateral with the four sides 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. With the angle between 6 and 5 centimeter is 50 degree. So using compass you can draw this quadrilateral. Draw 6 centimeter line first. Then using a protractor mark 50 degree. 50 degree angle I have to mark it. Then draw a length of 5 centimeter from here. 5 centimeter, the angle is 50 degree. Then using the compass, draw an arc 4 centimeter from here. 4 centimeter arc you must draw. Then from this point draw 3 centimeter arc. So from here 4 centimeter, from here 3 centimeter. Join the line of 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So we got the quadrilateral with the four sides 6, 3, 4 and 5 centimeter. With the angle between 6 and 5 is 50 degree. So using the same measurement 6 centimeter, 3, 4 and 5 centimeter, but change the angle to 70 degree and draw the quadrilateral. So do it as a homework. So draw 6 centimeter, take angle 70 degree and draw a line of 5 centimeter. From this point draw an arc of 4 centimeter. From here draw an arc of 3 centimeter. Then you have to join it. Do it as a homework. Draw the next quadrilateral. Instead of 4 side and 1 angle, 4 side and diagonal is given. So 5 centimeter diagonal is mentioned here. So you should draw the quadrilateral. Draw 6 centimeter line first. Then from this corner draw a 5 centimeter arc. And from here draw the 3 centimeter arc. After drawing you are getting a triangle like this. So from here 5 centimeter arc, from this point draw an arc of 3 centimeter. 5 centimeter, draw the arc, draw the 3 centimeter arc. Then you have to join the line and complete the triangle. 5 centimeter, then join this one with the 3 centimeter. We got 3 centimeter. So we got a triangle now. Then you have to complete the next triangle this side. Next you are drawing. Now you got this triangle. Next you are drawing a 4 centimeter line here and a 2 centimeter arc here. From this end draw a 4 centimeter arc. From this point draw a 2 centimeter arc. Then you have to join the lines. 4 centimeter, next 2 centimeter. So you got a quadrilateral of 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Draw this quadrilateral with the 7 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter sides and 2 diagonals 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Draw 7 centimeter line first. Then first you are drawing this triangle. So next 4 centimeter arc and 8 centimeter arc we are drawing. Draw 4 centimeter arc from this point. and from this point we have to draw 8 centimeter arc. Draw 8 centimeter arc from this point. So complete the triangle. 8 centimeter. Next we are drawing a 4 centimeter line. So we completed the first triangle with the side 7, 8 and 4. This is the actual one, is the diagonal itself. Next we are drawing the next triangle at this point. So from this point we have to draw a 5 centimeter arc, and from here we have to draw a 6 centimeter arc. Draw a 5 centimeter arc from this point. Draw the next 6 centimeter arc, the diagonal we are drawing. Then join the lines. Draw the 5 centimeter line first. Then you can draw the next diagonal 6 centimeter. And this value is not given, so you can directly join the line and complete the quadrilateral. Draw the line from here and complete the diagonal 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter diagonals, and side 7, 4 and 5 centimeter. Next quadrilateral with the 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter sides with the 2 angle is specified. So first of all we are drawing a 5 centimeter line. From here we are taking angle 80 degree and mark 3 centimeter. From that point draw an angle of 120 degree with the 4 centimeter. We are drawing a line of 5 centimeter first. Then take angle 80 degree from this point, or you can give the names AB. Okay, from A you can take angle 80 degree. Mark angle 80 degree. Then join the line of 3 centimeter. Join a line of 3 centimeter with the angle 80 degree. Next we are drawing a 120 degree angle from C. Draw a length of 4 centimeter. This angle is 120 degree. Then you can complete the quadrilateral by joining these two points. It is from B to D. So give the name A, B, C and D and complete the quadrilateral. So this is the way you have to complete it. You have given 3 side and 2 angle. Draw the next quadrilateral with the 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 3 more angles are given. 60, 100 and 80 degree. So 3 angle and 2 sides are given. You should draw the quadrilateral. Draw 5 centimeter line first. Then from one end 60 degree and the other end 80 degree you have to mark it. And from this end we have to draw 3 centimeter and draw an angle of 100 and join the line. Draw 5 centimeter line. Then one end you can give the names A, B. From A take angle 60 degree. Then draw a line of 3 centimeter. Draw a line of 3 centimeter and give the name C till here. Next we are drawing 100 degree from this end and 80 degree from this side. 100 degree you have to mark it. Zero to 100. Okay, you see. Then from other end you have to draw an angle of 80 degree. Then you have to draw the line. So this angle is 100 degree. Then that 80 degree angle you must draw next. Draw the next line. So this angle is 80 degree. This is 60 degree. So first we have to draw a 5 centimeter line. From A 60 degree and from B 80 degree you have to draw the line. And from C, A to C take 3 centimeter line, and from C angle of 100 degree. Then you join it. This point is D. So you got a quadrilateral of A, B, D, C. Okay. So other lines you have to rub it off. So you got the quadrilateral. Next you are drawing the problems of the previous topic. You can see the first one, 3 isosceles equal trapeziums. This is the trapeziums keep together. So this is 5 centimeter. We can see that this is also 5. Here it is 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So an equilateral triangle we are getting. A bigger triangle outside and a smaller triangle inside. So first we are drawing this trapezium first, isosceles trapezium of 5 and 2 centimeter first. Here only 2 parallel sides are given. Then how will you complete this trapezium, isosceles trapezium? The previous day we studied by drawing a trapezium we can make one triangle and a parallelogram. So first of all, this 5 centimeter we are cutting into 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter, and next we are drawing a line, a parallel line from this side. Drawing a parallel line. So this is 3 centimeter and this one is 2 centimeter. So you got a parallelogram here. The opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So this is 2 centimeter and here also 2 centimeter. So we are splitting the trapezium into triangle and a parallelogram. I draw this isosceles triangle. For that, this is an equilateral triangle with a 60 degree angle, isosceles trapeziums. Then if you cut this into half, this angle is 30 degree. So the same 30 you will get here also. If you cut this isosceles trapezium into a parallelogram and a triangle, this angle is also 30 degree and this also 30, because in a two parallel lines these angles are equal. Okay, so this isosceles trapezium we are cutting into or dividing it into a triangle and a parallelogram. So this is 2 centimeter, here also 2 centimeter. This angle is 30. This is also 30 by splitting this. So first we are drawing this isosceles triangle with 30 degree, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Here also 30 degree. Draw a line of 5 centimeter and we are cutting it into 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. And from one end we are drawing a 30 degree angle first. .30 angle. Draw the line, and from this end also 30 degree. And drawing the line. So this angle is 30 degree. Same 30 degree we are drawing it from here also. From this point also draw a 30 degree angle. Now we got a triangle. Then you should draw a 2 centimeter line from this end, and you can complete the parallelogram. Draw a 2 centimeter and complete the parallelogram. So we got a triangle with 30 degree each and another 30 with a parallelogram of 2 centimeter. Other things you have to rub it. Now we got one isosceles triangle. Then from these 2 points, from A and B, we draw a 5 centimeter arc and join the line. Draw a 5 centimeter arc from A and from B also. Then join the line and complete the triangle, isosceles equilateral triangle. Drawing a side of an equilateral triangle with 5 centimeter. Then next draw the next side with 5 centimeter. We got the outer equilateral triangle with the 5 centimeter sides. Next take 2 centimeter from a compass. Then draw a smaller equilateral triangle with the sides 2 centimeter. So we got the outer equilateral triangle and a smaller equilateral triangle. Then you have to join this. So we got an 3 equal isosceles trapeziums. 3 equal isosceles trapeziums. So first you have to draw a line of 5 centimeter and cut it into 3 and 2 centimeter. From A, draw an angle of 30 degree, and from this point also draw an angle of 30 and complete the triangle. Then you have to draw the parallelogram. From here also draw an angle of 30 and a 2 centimeter line. You have to draw it and complete the isosceles trapezium first. Then from A and B, draw a 5 centimeter arc and complete the equilateral triangle, and small equilateral triangle with the 2 centimeter we are finishing it here. Then draw the line here. So you got 3 isosceles trapeziums. You are drawing this one. The rectangles must be equal. That is the given thing. A 6 centimeter diagonal and a 30 degree angle is given. First of all, we are drawing a diameter of 6 centimeter circle. That means a 3 centimeter radius circle we are drawing it first. A 3 centimeter circle. We have to draw a diagonal of 6 centimeter line. Draw a 6 centimeter diagonal that you can draw in any side here, drawn like this. Next, here 6 centimeter diagonal we draw. Next, take an angle of 30 degree and draw the next line. Keep the protractor in the diameters, then draw an angle of 30 degree till the circle you should draw it. So this angle is 30 degree and this length is 6 centimeter. You have to complete the rectangle first. So from this you have to take an angle of 90, because the rectangle we are drawing it, angle of 90 you have to mark it. Then join the line. You got one side, so one triangle you got. Then the other side also you have to complete it like this. A 90 degree you have to mark it and draw the next side. Draw the line. Then you can complete the rectangle. So you got the first rectangle with the 6 centimeter diagonal and 30 degree angle. Next you have to draw the next rectangle. So if this angle is 30, this also you can take it as a 30 degree angle. Draw a 30 degree angle from this end. 30 degree you have to mark it. Then draw the line. So this angle is also 30 degree. Then you have to draw the 90 degree angles from both ends. Keep the protractor on the line and mark 90 degree. Then draw the line. So you got one triangle here. Then you have to finish it with the next 90 degree from this end. You have to draw a line till the circle. Then you have to finish the other side also. So complete the rectangle like this. Then you have to rub the circles. So you got two equal rectangles. So that is from page number 116. Okay, you can draw it.